Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making this sweet little Easter card using Hello Easter. Let's get started. Okay, so we will start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 2 7/8 by 4. And we're going to be using the Hello Easter, and we're going to use the little bunny, this egg, Happy Easter, and these two flowers. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Pierce mat because the stamp is photopolymer and it sometimes just needs a little bit more to cushion. So I have Wisteria Wonder, and the egg is mounted on block E. And I just want to make sure that this is good and covered. Alright, now I'm going to take some Saffron and I'm going to get the little flowers, and I'm just going to put them in the middle here, and these are mounted on block A. Alright, we'll put this aside. Now I also have another piece of Whisper White, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I have the Happy Easter mounted on block H. And I'm going to ink that up in the Wisteria Wonder. And just press that down right there in the middle. And then I have the little bunny rabbit on block B. And I'm going to ink that up in the Saffron. I'm just going to put them right here in the bottom corner. Just like that. Alright, and then I'm also going to get the little flowers that we used and put them here in each corner. Alright, so we will put that aside. Close up our ink. And now I'm going to bring the Big Shot in. And I have a piece of Saffron, and it measures 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the Basket Weave Dynamic Folder. And that is a celebration item, guys, with the $100 purchase. I'm going to run that through. Just like that. Alright, and my card base is Wisteria Wonder. And it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. So I'm just going to go ahead and get some SNAIL adhesive. And put this down. And I'm going to take my egg and I'm just going to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Alright, and I'm just going to center that. And then I'm going to come in with the inside of my card, and I'm going to adhere that down with some SNAIL adhesive as well. All right, there you have it, a quick and simple Easter card. Remember, this year Easter is April 1st. It's not too late to get those orders in. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.